Hello, my wonderful people. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on when you get to see this video. So I made this precious drink. Very wonderful. It's called Tiger Nut drink. Now, these are the ingredients: tiger nut, coconut, and date. So you just blend them together and sieve them. After you might have sieved it, fridge it and serve it chilled. You can also add your milk or banana, but if you don't have any of these things, these three ingredients you can see here are also good, and it will give you a beautiful taste also. So why not give it a try in your home? It's very wonderful. It's good for a man, a woman, a breastfeeding mom, a child, everybody. Give it a try. Love you guys. Bye.